Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to fix battery drain issue on your iPhone 11. So currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and we are currently on the latest iOS version, the iOS 18.3.1. Now for the first step, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Now from here, just tap on location services. Now from here, just set never to apps which do not require location services to run. Just like that. Now from here, go back. Now the second step to fix the battery drain issue on your iPhone 11 is to open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, just tap on display in brightness. Now from here, scroll down and tap on auto lock. Now from here, set auto lock on 30 seconds. Now from here, go back. Now the third step to fix the battery drain issue on your iPhone 11 is to open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on general. Now from here, scroll down and tap on background app refresh. Now from here, tap on background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Now what this option does is that it stops apps from refreshing in the background, which will save you a lot of battery. Now the fourth and the last step to fix the battery drain issue on your iPhone 11 is to open the control center. Now from here, you can either use cellular data and turn off Wi-Fi, or you can use Wi-Fi and turn off cellular data. And this is how you can fix the battery drain issue on your iPhone 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.